Hello, today I'm going to show you how you embed HTML signature on Outlook and use it from your desktop, browser and mobile devices. So for doing that, um, I open my personal Outlook account, and if I open any new email, so there has no signature. So if I check again from the signature option, so there has no signature yet. So this email already logged in on my desktop Outlook, new Outlook, and also on my mobile phone. So for doing that, we need to design a signature, business HTML signature. So we can easily put it here that Claude will be good. Okay, so we can try. So design business professional HTML signature that must be responsive to all devices. The signature will include name, position, company name, company email, phone, and company website. Make it ready to use. Okay, so our HTML signature, email signature is done. We can see the preview from here. Okay, no problem. So you may replace that email signature here, and it's best use that if you upload your email signature, your company logo to Cloudinary, that provides the 25 credit per month, and it's auto renewable. If you have more than, if you cross that limit, then you must need to pay. So we can edit it. That will be helpful us for. So I created a folder and put a name that signature and open it through any code editor. If you're not programmer, that's not a problem. So I'm trying to make it perfect, but HTML. Okay, so this is the code. If I open it through browser, then we can find that Okay, so there is a logo that takes to time to load. Placeholder logo. So we may check that. Okay. Placeholder image. So it's not working. Size is it's huge. So there's no options for editing. Okay. Okay. So it's working. Then we can put it here, and we can use it 40. Though I am put it here 40. So this one, and mail signature is here. So we can make it more larger. That would be good. 100 and 100. Okay, so let's try to use. This is our email signature. So for doing that, we need to add that signature. Add a signature name, HTML signature. Set default for new message, set default for replies to and forward. So we need to put 2 times enter button, 1 and 2. Then paste it here. This is our email signature. Okay. Save it. Okay, done. So we need to refresh our app, our browser, everything. If won't work, like if you are using MacBook or iPhone, so there has a issues. There has an issue. So you have to clean the cache. That will be best. So I'm just hard refresh to pressing Control and F5, or just press this one. Then it will hard refresh your browser. So if I open any mail, new email, then it will came here. Okay, so this email is responsive. Also, if I open it, how to refresh it? Okay, so I'm closing it and open it again. So this is the mail. Okay, so if I open any email, sorry, not this email. Okay, so the email signature is working on the desktop Outlook, new Outlook. It's not old classic Outlook, it's new Outlook, and it's working perfectly. And if I check by sending it to another email, okay, um, test email, test email. So It's come, but it shows in inbox because that link, because this link is not recognized on the search engine or anywhere, because it's a dummy link. So if your company, if you use your company URL or your company domain, and that must be recognized and good score on the search engine, otherwise it's by default the system will block your domain. So be careful for that. So I am just reporting that it's not spam. So now I am checking on my phone. I'm checking on my phone that is that working there or not. So here is my Outlook, and if I open that, it takes some times. Okay. So if I create new email by pressing the plus icons, so there has also the signature, so it's working perfectly. There is no issues. Only issue will be happen if you are user of MacBook or iPhone, then it will be problem, because by default iPhone and MacBook has some issues. You need to clean the cache. Cache means there are some files that relevant with your apps, so it will be best or better if you uninstall your app and re-log in, install it and uninstall your app, then restart your device like phone or laptop. And no need for laptop, only mobile phone, iPhone. Then you need to reinstall it and log in your account, then it will be work perfectly. There is no any other issues. And MacBook, you have to clean your browser cache. How you will able to cache clean the bash? So you need to go the setting, and setting has the options of privacy and security. Privacy and security, there is a delete um, browsing data. So you can do that from it, cache image and clean how many times you need to clean. So you can select it here: 7 days, 4 weeks, 24 hours, last hour, last 15 minutes. So you select that and clean that cache, and after that you will that email signature will work perfectly. So if you will face any issues, or if you need some help, something like that, email signature, Outlook 365, Google Workspace, or any IT related issues, I provide IT related issue. I provide remote support. So you can reset me at any time. I can try to help you, and we may discuss any meeting, or just email me. So email link will be there at the inbox. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If this video will help you really, then make sure you subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family, those are need to help with the same issues. Have a good day.